Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Bank of Jamaica, in its annual report, says credit unions are experiencing a rebound in loan demand in the context of an uptick in loan promotions. For credit unions, loans remain the dominant asset category, accounting for 67.6% of total assets at the end of 2023. Total assets held by credit unions in Jamaica reached $180.3 billion in 2023. The Bank of Jamaica, in its annual report, says this represents a 9.2% or $15.2 billion expansion. The report says the growth in loans last year was influenced by increased salaries for some public sector employees, which resulted in an improvement in their disposable income. The Bank of Jamaica, in its annual report, noted that a reduced demand for mortgages as real estate lending for 2023 grew by 12.9% or $38.4 billion. In 2022, mortgages increased by 17.6% or $44.5 billion. Jamaica Teas Limited, for the 6 months ended March 31, 2024, reported a 23% increase in operating revenues totaling $1.64 billion, compared to $1.33 billion in the corresponding period last year. That said, profit attributable to shareholders for the 6 months amounted to $21.67 million, a 75% decrease from the $86.20 million reported in 2023. Financial analysts suggest that the decrease is related to tax charges for the 6 months ended March 31, 2024, which amounted to $57.74 million relative to a tax credit of $34.61 million reported in 2023. During trading on April 24, 2024, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the financial, education, and air conditioning distribution sectors were the top performing stocks. Lasco Financial Services Limited shares advanced by 13.17% for a 22-cent price increase to close at $1.89 with 800 shares traded. Edufocal Limited shares advanced by 12.66% for a 10-cent slide up in price to close at 89 cents with 12,135 shares traded. CAC 2000 Limited shares advanced by 10.42% for a 40-cent upward price movement to close at $4.24 with 12 shares traded. During trading on April 23, 2024, the real estate, finance, and food sectors were the 3 most declining stocks traded. Stanley Motor Limited declined by 10.91% for a 74-cent drop in price to close at $6.04 with 20,692 shares traded. Epley 7.5% shares declined by 10.71% for a 66-cent price slide to close at $5.50 with 4,659 shares traded. Jamaican Teas Limited declined by 6.15% for a 15-cent downward price to close at $2.29 with 49,780 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 24, 2024, registered a volume of 1,416,793 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $10,592,180 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 629,985 shares changing hands for a value of $2,740,434 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 31 cents, followed by NCB Financial Group Limited with a volume of 505,000 shares being traded for $1,515,000 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 24, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $55 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $52.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica Foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.79 and bought US dollars for $155.01. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.78, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 45 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.58 and bought for $114.13. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.60, selling it for $193.44 and buying it for $188.84. For our credit report tip of the day, unexpected medical expenses can quickly pile up during a health crisis. Your credit score can impact your ability to secure medical loans or payment plans to cover these costs. Additionally, a good credit score may qualify you for lower health insurance premiums, as insurers often use credit information to assess risk. By maintaining a healthy credit score, you're better equipped to navigate financial challenges during difficult times. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.